Okay, so cheers for joining us on Andy Robinson RC today. And I've lost the car is running away. That was not part of the plan, was it? How cool did I look? Thank you very much. Right, without the car rolling away this time, I said we finally managed to get out with the team associated RB10 that I unboxed I think last month now. But I said we've just not had the weather at all. Anyway, here it is. Now, again, if you've not seen the original video, I'll put that where I unboxed it, link in the description. Now, this RB10 is a mix of pretty much old technology with a bit of new thrown in. And what you've got here is basically an RC10 B5 with an RC10 B4 chassis. Now, the rest of it is B5. And that's pretty much what they've done, and they've slapped on a modern new body shell with it. It's got the gull wing front wishbones as well, like the B5 rear motor car, mid motor car, sorry. But yeah, that's what they've done. And again, it's part of Team Associated's one platform chassis that does it all. I say you've already seen us do the SC10 or the SR, is it SR10? Sorry, the dirt oval car. There's the DR10, the drag car, and there's this as well as a short course buggy. Now, also in the video, I said that I would basically be giving this to my lad for his race buggy, and I sold his old car off instead, and so he's now going to be running this. He's raced it a few times with some good results. I've want to have a race which I'll upload at some point. But yeah, now the only thing is that I've done to this for this video is the gearing has been altered. It comes with an 18 tooth pinion, and that'll only do about 18 mile an hour with the a NIM style battery pack which I've got. If you put a LiPo in, a 2S, it'll do about 21, and if you put a 3S in, it's going to do about 30 odd mile an hour. But I don't use them, I'm just on NIM batteries. So what I've done for my lad is he wanted a bit more speed on the straights, geared it up an extra 5 teeth. Motor still keeps nice and cool. And for racing, we put proper carpet racing tyres on by Schumacher. But since we're out here, I've jacked up the suspension a little, and we've run in the original tyres. Other than that, it is completely stock. Also, as well, through racing, if you can see there, we lost a little bung that helps stop the dust getting in for the slipper clutch. Don't know what happened there, but we lost that. But really, that's the only complaint. Also, while I think I'll just show you this. Team Associated have done a really nice job with the body shell. Oh, thank you very much. Looking at me, helper. Oh, dropped it. I'll take the shell off a minute. I'll just show you this. I was quite impressed with this. If you can look there, all the shell has been backed with silver spray, which you know, makes the colours nice and vibrant, and it just shows that they've nicely finished the body shell off. Quick look inside before I put the thing in. So there you go, that's the standard vehicle pretty much. It has got an MRT transponder in for racing, and there's an extra, I think, 30 grams of weight up front just to help it into the low speed turns when it's cornering. But other than that, it's a standard thing. So what I'll do is I will put the shell back on, and we'll give it a bit more of a run for you, and then while I'm going to quit while I'm ahead and hopefully get back home before it rains again. So we'll put these clips on. We're here at the BMX track that we sometimes come to. We've had the Mardave Cobra here. I've just filmed my Halloween truck build that I did, and yeah, we've been here a few times now. But anyway, let's give it a bit of a go. Yeah, I mean, it does drive nice. The steering servo is a bit slow, but it's all right for a novice, I'd say. But I think generally you'd want something quicker. But yeah, it's. I can just about see it. I've lost all sight of it. There it is. But yeah, it's nice. Very pleased with it. I think the lad is as well. He doesn't really say much, but he's had some good results with it, driving wise. think he came first in his first final with it, in the C final, and he came fourth last time out as well. So yeah, he's getting used to it. Also as well, I forgot, this buggy comes with the dynamic vehicle control system, which is basically a gyro, and we've turned that off for racing because Devlin found it just too much. When you're driving the car, it was fighting him all the way, and really for racing, one, you're not allowed it in racing, and two, he found it much easier to drive. So yeah, but yeah, it's all good. Anyway, we'll bring this back over here. It actually is really cool to drive him on there, because if you know you can throw it around a bit more, then you're a bit better with throwing it about, and you're not as careful. Oh no, it's like drive it like you stole it. Not mine, it's my lads. No, I'm joking. So even with jacking up the suspension, it still slaps a bit. Yeah, so other than that, we're so far very pleased with that. So there you go, that is, I'll find it, that is the Team Associated RB10. I'd definitely recommend this one, especially if you want a complete package that you can throw around outside, or if you want to take it to a track and do a bit of racing. I think this is a really good one to start with. It drives really easily, really nicely balanced. Yeah, I've got no complaints at all really. I just think that steering servo is a bit on the sluggish side. Depends what you're used to though. For me, it doesn't react quick enough. Really, that's my own gripes. Tyres are fine on a lot of surfaces. If you intend to race it though, you do need to change them out ideally for some proper racing tyres. But there you go, yeah, the Team Associated RB10. I think that's pretty damn cool. Right, okay. Thanks for joining me today. Cheers for checking out this video. Cheers for checking out the channel, and for all your support, it's much appreciated. Don't forget, soon we've got the Tamiya Young Watanabe Wild One coming soon, and the Tamiya TD4 Super Avante, and there's probably some other things in the pipeline as well. Right, okay, I'm gonna go. Again, cheers for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Hit the like button and notification bell. See you soon. Bye.